Today we are going to be drawing these beautiful flamingos, so let's get started. I want you to begin by folding your paper in half, like a card. Now make sure you don't crease that too hard. We're just wanting to find where the center of the page is. Now we're going to draw like a question mark shape. That will be the neck of your flamingo. Next, we are going to mimic that line, and we know that mimicking means to do the same. And here I go. I'm just following on down that line. Now think about a bird and think of how long a flamingo's neck is. We want to make sure the base of that is thicker or wider than the top because it needs a good support. Now we're going to add a curved line on both sides of the neck. And from there, we are going to draw a U shape inside of that circular shape. This is where the eyeball will be. So let's go ahead and draw that eyeball in. Now from the top part of that U, we're going to draw the beak. It's just a curved line coming down, and the bottom of the beak drops down and curves back in to create that hooked look. Go ahead and connect the head to the beak. I kind of flatten it out to make it feel like it's all flowing together. We're going to go ahead and add a body, and if you want to add a wing on here, you could do that as well. And let's just go ahead and finish up the beak. So now that the first one is completed, we're ready to start the second one. I'm going to draw this one a little bit taller. And so we're going to repeat the same steps, but being flipped. So I'm starting off with that question mark or heart shape again, and then we will mimic that line. Now, as I'm drawing, I realized that my head of my flamingo was going to run into the other one, so I just decided to back up the neck a little bit to add those curved lines connected to the neck. Going to add the U with the eyeball, the beak, and then remember that bottom part's a little bit different, curves out and then back in. Look, it looks like it's pecking the other one's head. Now, if I'm going too quick, please remember that you can always back up the video. Now we're going to add in a horizon line. This one shows the horizon line. That's where the sky meets the ground. Once you have completed these steps, you can add other little details, and that's all I have for you.